Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Sunny Herbert and I will guide you along this journey. 14 years ago, when the first Qashqai was unveiled in 2006, it invented a new segment, it had no competitors, and also it embodied Nissan's innovative and challenger spirit. It was the beginning of a success story. I'm here today with Marco Fioraventi, Vice President for Product Planning at Nissan Europe, to hear everything there is to know about the all-new Qashqai. Hi Marco. Qashqai is a legend. What a challenge to launch a new one.
You are totally right, Sandy. 14 years later, and after an unstoppable journey, more than 3 million Qashqai have been sold across Europe. Qashqai has become an icon, the most popular crossover. Today, we are unveiling the all-new Nissan Qashqai that will be built in our plant in Sunderland. With this new generation, we are confident even more customers will join and enter Nissan world.
That's amazing. Let's begin the journey with the car that started it all. From the very first pencil sketch, the Nissan Qashqai has always been rooted in Europe. The design concept that became the Qashqai and created the crossover segment for the industry was the first project developed by the team Nissan Design Europe after it opened in London in 2003. It's a model that definitely holds a very strong place in the Nissan history. The car went from strength to strength across 2 generations. Let's take a look at its heritage. We all remember those adverts, they were very bold. It's actually hard to imagine now, but with the original Qashqai, Nissan created a whole new vehicle segment, a rare achievement. With this 3rd generation of this iconic model, the unstoppable journey continues. The all-new Qashqai will yet again become the benchmark for everyone to follow. Let's discover it.
The all-new Qashqai is now more muscular, sharp and modern, yet unmistakably a Qashqai. On the exterior, your eyes will be drawn to the enhanced body stance and its more prominent shoulder lines. Customers will also appreciate the 2-tone colour option. Its stance is more purposeful thanks to the longer wheelbase. 20-inch wheels are introduced on Qashqai for the first time. Nissan's V-Motion grille has evolved to include chrome and satin chrome to emphasise its precision. The advanced matrix headlights are thinner and echo the rear lights. We describe them as boomerang lights. The interior also has more upgraded features to explore. Everything is enhanced, everything is new. The overall fit and finish of the interior has been elevated. For example, the Napa leather option takes 25 days to produce. The controls and the centre console have been simplified to minimise distraction. Attention has been paid to the quality of controls, giving them a particularly satisfying feel. The new TFT screen can be configured according to the driver's preferences, and the new gear selector is available for automatic versions. Front massage seats offer improved comfort and an added touch of luxury.
Hi Sandy.
Hello, Marco. You are so lucky to drive the new Qashqai.
I know. The car is more comfortable, more refined, and we managed to improve the roominess. Thanks to the new CMF-C platform, the all-new Qashqai has a longer wheelbase. It has allowed us to create a more knee room, and the smart packaging has created more shoulder space for driver and passengers. We know that our customers love its practicality, so we've managed to increase overall luggage capacity by 74 liters to a total of over 500 liters. The rear doors now open 90 degrees for easy access to child seats. But wait, I'm here. I'm coming.
So Marco, we can see that the Nissan design teams in London and Japan have been working really hard on the all-new Qashqai.
Yes, Andy. It retains everything the customer already love about Qashqai, but we have elevated the design, the practicality, and the onboard ambience.
And beyond the collaboration with the designers, I know that the engineers also have a role important to play with the new platform, but also the driving technologies on board, right?
Yes, it's true. The new Qashqai offers segment-leading engineering, but we have not added spec, technology and feature just for the sake of it. We really try to listen customer voice and understand what their true needs. Once we spot it, we address them.
Perfect. And actually, what are the benefits of this new platform that the drivers will be able to appreciate?
Maybe I should first mention what we haven't changed.
Okay.
We know that our customers really value the just right proportion of the current Qashqai, so it was key to us to retain that. The new generation still balances inside roominess with the exterior easy to park dimension. So the new Qashqai actually is far bigger on the inside, but also more or less it has the same dimension on the outside.
Okay, so how is it to drive then?
Well, we have increased the use of lightweight material like aluminium. This makes the overall body shell stiffer and lighter. This also means that we improve the refinement, ride comfort, driving response, as well as efficiency. It also provides exceptional security in the unlikely event of an accident.
So the driving experience is even better then?
Absolutely. The new Qashqai will continue to be highly rewarding to drive, feeling like a vehicle from a class above.
Let's talk about the new powertrain. They're now electrified. What does that change for the customer?
Simple. Greater efficiency, improved refinement, and more fun to drive. The new Qashqai will offer two electrified powertrains. The first is a flexible and efficient 1.3 petrol engine with mild hybrid technology available at launch.
Mild hybrid, this is the first time for Nissan, right?
That's right. The 1.3 petrol engine has been extensively updated in order to accommodate the mild hybrid technology, which allows the system to run on harvested braking technology. That reduces CO2 and improves fuel economy. Actually, it's good for the planet, but even better for the wallet.
That's a good thing. You were talking about a second powertrain. Do you have something to announce?
Yes, Andy. We're simply excited the Nissan unique and innovative e-Power technology will arrive on the new Qashqai in the near future. With e-Power, the wheels are only driven by an electric motor. So you have the same instant response acceleration of an electric car, but without consideration for range or recharge. You simply have to fill up with gas when you need to. We are really excited by the introduction of this new technology. It's a first for Europe, it's unique to Nissan, and our customers are really going to enjoy it.
Enjoy it? What do you mean?
Just like an electric vehicle, you get instant acceleration and so much torque that makes it fun to drive. And all this while being extremely efficient. This is a perfect transition into an EV driving experience for crossover drivers. The new Qashqai brings together two of Nissan's great strengths: advanced electrification and global crossover leadership.
Now that we've seen the innovative technology powering the all-new Qashqai, what upgrades can we expect to see in the onboard technology?
For the all-new Nissan Qashqai, we have been focused on providing a technology that is useful, convenient, and intuitive for our customer. This begins with our driving assistance technology. For the first time, we have an innovative new 10.8-inch head-up display, the largest in the segment. You get all the essential information within the driver's line of vision. This is a very cool technology. Every grade of new Qashqai will now be equipped with intelligent cruise control, and for further peace of mind, the new Qashqai will also offer the next generation of ProPilot driver assistance. Thanks to the link to the navigation system, ProPilot can now adjust the car speed according to the limits and add further precision and comfort in multiple scenarios. This will really help the driver in stressful highway traffic and on long journeys. Also, new Qashqai is full of safety features. For example, Nissan intelligent forward emergency braking with predictive function. This reads the road beyond the car in front to prevent collision. A really smart piece of technology.
Marco, how do the connectivity features offered raise the bar of the segment standard? I mean, if the kids aren't happy, you know the journey's going to be terrible.
Don't worry. Everybody will enjoy the advanced infotainment system thanks to the simple smartphone connection, in-car Wi-Fi, and multiple USB charging points. In a first for Qashqai, a front storage console provides convenient 15 watts wireless charging for smartphone, among the most powerful in the segment. Customers will love this. The Nissan connected display screen is compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with wireless Apple CarPlay also available. And if the driver is not using smartphone navigation apps, he can always use the Qashqai onboard navigation system with the 3D maps, live traffic, street view, and of course, over-the-air updates.
The all-new Qashqai has its own app?
That's right. Nissan Connect Services is a dedicated app that allows to control and monitor your vehicle. Thanks to this app, there is a multiple remote function. For instance, door lock and unlock.
Okay, I can't wait to see this car on the road, and I think the delivery starts this summer.
It's a moment we are all looking for, and Nissan as well. It's been such a pleasure to introduce this hugely important model we are so proud of. Thanks to its striking European design, advanced certified powertrain, and intuitive technology, customers will fully understand how Nissan has elevated the experience of a new Qashqai to meet their highest expectation. It's a clear breakthrough that confirms Nissan and Qashqai as a leader in the crossover field, a segment that Qashqai has not only invented, but has dominated since day one.
Well, I think it's my turn to play. I'm going to go try it.
Enjoy the ride.
Thank you.